This movie will show you how to use a tilt sensor. A tilt sensor is really a very simple switch. It's made out of a tube with a metal ball in it. There are two electrical contacts at one end. When the ball touches the contacts, electric current can get from one contact to the other, so the sensor is switched on. When the ball rolls away from the contacts, the electricity cannot get through and the switch is turned off. The tilt sensor connects to your Arduino shield like this. You can see it is connected to digital pin 2. Digital pins are either high or low. This way the circuit is set up, the pin will be low when the ball and the sensor is touching the contacts, and high when the ball is not touching the contacts. If you set the sensor up on the same angle as in this diagram, pin 2 will be high when the tank is travelling over flat ground, and it'll be low when the tank points uphill. Say we want the tank to travel across the flat ground and stop when it gets to the hill. We know that the sensor will go low when the tank tilts, so this is the signal that it's reached the hill. We write the following pseudocode. Start moving forwards. While pin 2 is high, do nothing. Stop tank. This may seem a bit weird, but think about it. We start the motors and the tank starts to move forwards. Then we check pin 2, and if it's high we do nothing. This will just leave the tank moving forwards. We keep on checking pin 2, and as long as it's high, we keep on doing nothing, i.e. we leave the tank moving forwards. We continue checking pin 2 until it goes low, and then the while loop finishes, and the program moves on to the next command, which is to stop the tank. The actual code for this looks like this. Void setup, pin mode 13 output, pin mode 12 output, pin mode 9 output, pin mode 8 output, pin mode 2 input. Void loop. Digital write 13 high, digital write 12 low, digital write 9 high, digital write 8 low. While digital read 2 equals high, do nothing. Digital write 13 low, digital write 12 low, digital write 9 low, digital write 8 low. That's it. So this code shows you how to stop the tank when it gets to the end of a task. In this case, the task was to cross the flat ground and stop when it got to the hill. The while command allowed the task to keep on going until the tilt sensor went off. Then the robot knew that the task had finished and it stopped.